Alrighty, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen of the online modding community? My name is ManiacMottsyy, actually, and welcome to episode 2 of the ongoing Let's Make a Forge mod tutorial um, for Minecraft 1.7.10. So today we're actually going to do the basic file and packages and things. In like sort of just like an overview, what we're going to do is we're going to make the basic mod file. We're going to make a reference file, and the basic mod file is where you call all your methods and your items and all that. And then the reference file is where you keep all your references for the mod. And then we're also going to do proxies. Proxies are a basic setup, not too difficult. So yeah, let's get started. So in your source Java, in your Java source, you're going to go ahead and click new uh, package. And we're gonna go com.mottsyy dot I don't know tutorial dot main. Now inside of here, we're going to make a new class and call it tutorial mod. Because why not? I mean, it's not like it's been done before. All right. So now that we have our tutorial main class inside of our normal package, we can go ahead and start actually doing things. So here we go. The first thing that you're going to want to do inside of this basic folder here is basic class is going to go at mod, and then you're going to go parentheses mod ID is equal to, and we'll just leave that blank for now. And then we're going to go name is equal to, we'll leave that blank for now, and then we're going to do version is equal to, and then that's it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a new package off of this one, and we're going to do new package, and we're going to go, instead of main, we're going to go references, and we're just going to create a new class, call it references. Okay, I don't know if that's spelled right actually. Hold on. Okay, no A. Alright. References, and we're gonna go hover over this and rename that, and then hover over that and change that. Alright, now inside of here we're just gonna do something really simple. We're gonna go public static string mod ID. Yeah, mod ID. Mod ID. There we go. My caps wasn't working. Is equal to mod tutorial. Mottsyy tutorial, because that looks weird with 3 T's. Mottsyy tutorial. Alright. And then put a colon on the end of that. We're going to go public static string name, and we're going to go is equal to, oh whoops, I already had equals to, Mottsyy tutorial mod. Alright, I'll explain these things in a second. So then public static string version is equal to, I don't know, like indev 0.0.1. That's how I normally do my mods while they're in development. Alright, so basically these are our references that we are going to be making back to here. So basically now you're going to go for mod ID, you're going to go references dot mod ID. There it is. There you go. And then for name, you're going to do references dot name. And then we're going for version, we're going to do references I can type dot version. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and click import right there, and that's gonna import that. And then hold on, give me a second. Mod.version must be a constant. Is that it? Oh yeah, there we go. I think that should be it. We will test it in a second, actually, to make sure that it is correct. Okay, there we go. And there we go. And there we go. Alright. Okay, that should have worked. Now, moving on, we're going to be doing the public class method right here. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is at instance. And then we're going to do value is equal to, what was our thing? Mottsyy tutorial. So whatever your mod ID is, that's what you have to make it. And then under here, you're going to go public static tutorial mod instance, whatever the name of your class is. And then we're going to Control-Shift-O, which imports, and then move on to the next one, which is at cited proxy. Oops. And then we're going to go client side is equal to, and we're going to go string, and we're going to go com.mottsyy, oops, mottsyy dot tutorial dot client actually dot proxy dot client proxy. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and go server side is equal to com.mottsyy tutorial proxy common proxy. And then underneath here, we're going to do public static and then common proxy. There we go. Now basically what this is doing right here is calling our common proxy class that we were about to make, and this right here is telling us where our proxy classes are actually going to be located for the mod. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new package, and we're going to call it proxy. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to create two new classes in here. We're going to create client proxy, and we are going to create common proxy. There we go. Alright, and we will come back to those in a second. Actually, we can do the proxies right now. Alright. So basically what we're going to do for the proxies here is inside of the client proxy class, we are going to type out a short method, public void register renderers. Yeah, that's right. All right. There we go. And then we go nothing in there. All right, sweet. All right, now we just save this right here, and we go into the common proxy, and we put an at override annotation on the method that we just wrote. So right here, I'm gonna go at override public void, I can type today, register renders, and then we go oh, and we have to extend this class, my bad. Extends client proxy, right? Oh no, I did this backwards, my bad. So we just remove the add override annotation up here, nothing can go in there, and then up here we do extends common proxy, and then we do an at override annotation up there, and there we go. And we save those, and our proxies are all set up, and then we just import common proxy, and we're good to go. All right. So the next thing is the event handlers. Pretty sure. Yep. Event handlers. So at event handler, and then we go public void pre-init, and in here's where it gets tricky. FML initialization event open brackets, close brackets. There we go. Control Shift O, and that should import both of those. All right, and nothing in there yet. And then we go at event handler public void init FML initialization event Control Shift O, and then public void post init FML post initialization event Control Shift O, and there you go. That's all the basic things. Just let me explain these really quickly. So overall, the instance just creates the mod. The sided proxy is for when we're doing rendering of special objects like plants, or specialized renders for blocks, like special rendered blocks. So you have your own kind of block you want to use, and you do that. This is just for holding initializing like things that will have to be initialized before the mod like starts up, like when it's in the loading screen. This is for when the mod is in use, and this is for after the mod is done working. So overall, that is all that we have for today. Next time we'll be going over a basic item and or block. Just make sure you save this. Here we go, no more errors. Alright, so this is the basic mod. We're going to try and keep our mod classes as clean looking as possible. You don't have to do this, but if you want to, let me just show you really quick what it looks like when it runs. So as you can see, it'll open up all nice and clean. And there's Minecraft 1.7.10. It's initializing everything. And there we go. Alright, so then if we were to go to mods, references.name. Ooh, that's actually a problem. Give me a second. If I just leave these things off, wonder what would happen if I leave this stuff off. I think I have to import references actually. My bad. Control Shift O. There we go. References. That version must be a constant expression. Alright, then just for now, I'm going to figure out how to fix this. But for now, we'll just call this tutorial Mottsyy. And then for this, I'll just call it Mottsyy's tutorial mod. And then version. We'll just call this the version would be in dev 0.0.1. Okay, we'll just come back around and oops, not do that. Do that. And then do this and this and do this and that. Alright, cool. There we go. We'll just do that for now. But I will figure out how to fix this. It should be working, but public static final. Is that what it is? Public static final. Totally forgot final. I'm an idiot. Alright. We're going to do this really quickly. Just gonna copy this just in case it doesn't work, so that way I don't have to write it anymore. References dot mod ID. There we go. Now it works. Alright. Alright. References dot name. Alright. I fixed it. I'm smart. Alright. References dot version. There we go. Alright. That's all better now. If we were to launch it once more. Totally forgot about final. I was just kind of rushing through the references file because it's not the most important thing, but I guess I skipped over something really important. Now if we go into mods, Mottsy's tutorial mod, there we go. In dev 0.0.1. Alright. Sweet. So anyways guys, that's all for me today. Next time we'll be going over a block or an item. I haven't decided yet. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content under the modding and coding tutorials and whatnot. So anyways guys, I'm out of here. Peace.